What if I told you I have a tool for you that will help to cleanse the energy of your house, body, and workspace? Have you heard about lemongrass? I bet you did. It's a tall grass with a subtle citrus flavor and cleansing properties. You have to know 3 ways how to use lemongrass essential oil: aromatically, topically, and internally. When you use it aromatically, it blends very well with clary sage, lavender, geranium, basil, or rosemary. Choose a couple of your favorite essential oils, add it into diffuser, and enjoy relaxing benefits. When you use it topically, make sure you dilute it with fractionated coconut oil or other carrier oil, because lemongrass is hot oil and we want to avoid skin sensitivity. I use lemongrass after a hard workout in the gym when I feel discomfort in my muscles and joints. And I love to use lemongrass internally in my soups or teas. When you add it into your tea, just make sure you add a little bit of honey, because essential oils are sugar soluble, fat soluble, or alcohol soluble. Would you like to learn more about essential oils and natural solutions? Click on my website, join my newsletter, and you will receive tips and ideas how to use essential oils in your daily life.